Start now. Okay, but if you want to ask anything, yes, just tell me. Then I can help you. So I have used this paper. I'm not going to discuss all the things because now some students, they won't, not some, right? Most of the students, they said like they are having some doubts. So you can ask the doubts now. They want to do some self-study. So if you have anything, yes, you can ask related to these things. Okay, just pass my message like I'm doing the classes for grade 10. That is Tuesday, 6 to 8, and grade 11, Friday, 6 to 8, and A-levels 2024, Friday, 3 to 5, A-level 2023, Thursday, 3 to 6, paper class, Sunday, 7:30 to 12 p.m. Okay, so these classes, right? So you can pass the message to your friends if they are doing ICT. Yeah, grade 10, Tuesday, 6 to 8, grade 11, Friday, 6 to 8, A-level 2024, Friday, 3 to 5, and A-level 2023, Thursday, 3 to 6. And the paper class for 2023, Sunday, 7:30 to 12. Just pass the message to your friends. Okay. Right. Now we'll start with this one. So here they have given a user. Here they are asking the abstract view of the computer system. When you consider about the computer system, what are the main things available? Hardware, software, liveware, and firmware. These are the main things available with the computer system. So what they are asking, user is interacting with the application software. Then application software installed in the label X is what? System, neither system software. Okay. So in the system software, X we can take as operating system. Okay. So operating system directly dealing with the computer hardware devices. Name the layer label X, that is operating system. Write one function of the layer X. So what are the functions of operating system? Operating system. Write one function each for layer label X as X and hardware. So what are the main functions of the operating system? Control and manage hardware devices. Then second one, create, user interface. Okay. So there are two main functions performed by the operating system, that is controlling and managing the hardware devices and creating the user interface. Provide an examples for software which could be considered as a part of the application software. So what you can write. So what are the application softwares available? Word processing. Okay. Word processing softwares. Then spreadsheet. Okay. Yes, spreadsheet software. So application softwares they are asking. Presentation softwares, database softwares, like that. Many things you can write. Okay. Remember, when you are writing to this kind of question, so what you will have to know, you have to know about the computer system. When you consider about the computer system, user, application software, operating system, and the hardware will be there. User always using the operating system or the application software programs. Right? Why the user required application programs? To do the necessary tasks. Then they have given the agriculture teacher of a school intended to conduct a field study at nearby park to identify the plants in the environment using the images of the plants stored in the computer. The class consists of 12 to 15 students. The expected duration of the lesson is 30 to 40 minutes. What is the most suitable types of computer that could be used for this activity? Now, what will happen? The lesson time is 30 to 40 minutes. Now you have to go to the environment and you have to capture some images which is stored in the computer. So the computer that you are using must be portable. Okay, portable computer. Portable. What is the most suitable type? Okay, so we can use a tab or a laptop computer. Give two reasons for justify. Because the power the power is retained nearly 1 hour. Okay, in the portable computer, laptop or the tablet, the power will be containing nearly 1 hour. As well as it is portable. Portability. Okay, portability. Portability means what? You can take the laptop or the tablet and you can move here and there. So remember about that. Okay, right. What is the most suitable types of computer that could be used for this activity? Nowadays you can use the mobile phone. More long hours. The battery life is long, like 8 to 9 hours or 24, right? Something like that, or 2-3 days, right? As well as you can take the photos and you can video. Everything is available with the mobile phone. Okay, right. Then, so that's all about this question. So if you have anything else, you have to put it to the chat. Then here you have the email, right? Email. When you consider about the email software, here you have from. This is the sender. This is the sender's email address. To receiver. Receiver's email address. Again, CC. CC is what? Carbon copy. Carbon copy means what? So whatever the email that you're going to send, the same copy will be sent into another person. Carbon copy. The person with the carbon copy can see to whom this email has sent. එයාට පේනවා මේ dim wick කියන එකක් පේනවා. එයාට පේනවා මෙන්න මේ email address එකයි මේ email address එකයි දෙකම පේනවා එයාට. හරිද? දෙකම පේනවා. කවුද එව්වේ? අමිලියා නේද? @hotmail.com. මෙයා තමයි එව්වේ. ඊට පස්සේ කාටද හම්බුනේ? මෙන්න මේ දෙන්නටම හම්බෙලා තියෙනවා email එක. CC කියලා කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? long term එක carbon copy. Okay, so what is the attachment? mytrip.jpg. This is the attachment. The capacity of that attachment is here. So this is the email body. Email body. Okay, so sender innawa, receivers la dennek innawa, receivers la inne carbon copy එකත් එක්කලා attachment එකක් තියෙනවා. Write the sender's receivers email address. So what is the sender email address? So we can write Amelia at hotmail.com. Then who the receivers? කාට receive වෙලා තියෙන්නේ? Dimwick, Samwick. දෙන්නටම ගිහිලා තියෙනවා. What is the name of the attachment? What is the name? My trip dot jpg. What is the difference between BCC and CC? BCC is what, Puta? Blind carbon copy. Blind carbon copy. Okay. Right? The receiver can see. Receiver can see only his email address and sender's email only. Sender's email only. So when you send a message within the BCC blind carbon copy, the CC carbon copy people can't see your email address, right? And you can see only your email address as well as the sender's email address only. BCC blind carbon copy. What is BCC? No, Buddha. Because it's not open source. Mac OS proprietary software. So you have to pay and buy. Okay. Right. Linux, Ubuntu, right? Linux, Ubuntu, Fedora. So that is free and open source. Huh? Write some folders available in the email software. What are the folders? Inbox, draft, sent items, trash, right? May folders stick available. Inbox, draft, sent, trash, wage deva available. Junk mail, spam. Yes, correct, Puta. Spam, right? Write 4 text formatting features available in the email. What are the, when you consider about the email software, what are the text formatting? So text formatting. So what will happen? Font size, font color. Okay, font size, font color, right? Then font style. Okay, that means the font face. Okay, right? Bold, italic, right? Bold, italic. So these things are available, text formatting. When you take an email, on the email, these things are available. What are the text formattings available? So I have given that. I'm not going to do like yesterday. Okay. Here, you can see free and open source, right? So here, you can use word art. With the word art, you can change it and you can bend like this, right? And here you have open source, this one. So that is what? Image. How you can insert the image? Insert, and you can select the image and you can select the path and you can insert that. And this image is center aligned. Center aligned. So they have mainly mentioned about free and open source software. Free and open source software. FOSS. Free and open source software is a software that both free software and open source. Free and open source. So that means you don't want to pay any amount. Free as well as it's open source. The code is available. You can download the code and you can do the necessary modification to that code. It is liberally licensed to grant users to write the right to use, copy and study. With the license, what will happen? You are getting the permission, right to use, right to copy and study, change and improve the design. Okay. With the proprietary softwares, what will happen? It will give the license for what purpose? Giving the license to use, copy, study, change and improve its designing of the available of the source code. That means the source code. Like if you have purchased something, if you have purchased Windows operating system, if you have purchased Mac operating system, you can't edit that proprietary software. It is like you have to pay and you have to buy the license. Then they are not allowing you to do any modification. But free and open source, free and open source. So the codes are available. If the codes are available, you can do some modifications. You can add some features. You can remove some features according to your requirement. Okay. So here they have mentioned if you have taken a software program with license, but what will happen? They are giving the right you to use the code, use the software, copy the code, edit the code, study the code, change the things. So it will be there. Okay. Image, yeah. Right. Going to clear this one. So Hantan Linux they have given, LibreOffice they have given, Dia they have given, Blender they have given, Scribes they have given. So check what kind of things that you can do with these softwares, right? So according to the things that they have given, you can apply, right? So here you have a table. D is a table. D, it's a table. Okay, C, it's a paragraph. So A, word art. B, image. Okay, so here you have, right? Some letters are italic. Italic. Italic is I. How you can use a shortcut key? Control plus I. So what they have asked here, what they have asked, what is the tool that can be used to create the label A? Label A එක create කරන්න මොකද්ද පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන්? Word art. What is the label? Label as a. Write down the steps requires to insert the picture label B. Assume that the picture is stored as mypic.jpg. Yeah. Word art. Yeah. Control I. Align. Do we need to center? Align doesn't like. Just how to separate identify these two. So how do we know center line doesn't? Yeah, so this is C1, right? C, it is not center like center line, right? Okay. So here the margins will be there. So when you look this one, this is justified, not centered. Huh? So from the both line, right? End of the lines you can see here. Both this line as well as this line. Okay, that is properly organized. So because of that, you have to tell. Otherwise, if it is central line, this line will be centered. This line will be centered. This line will be centered. Okay. So C is a paragraph with justify. Justify. Right? Insert. B is inserting an image. So they have given the path. C, my doc. So you can insert image, right? And you can give the path. You can select the path and you can insert that specific image. Okay. D is table. D is table, inserting a table. So you can give, when you consider about the table, right? When you consider about the table has what? Rows as well as columns, right? How many number of rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows, 6 rows. And how many columns? 2 columns, right? What is the type of C? That is justify. Right? Align left, right, justify and center. Okay, so you can see on the both side, it has properly formatted. Ne? Yes. Okay, correct. Write down the steps required to insert the table. So insert table, number of columns and number of rows and select OK, then it will apply. Write down the steps needed to add another row at the bottom of the label. So you can keep the cursor on the last row, right? Outside the last row and you can press enter. Or you can highlight the row. You can highlight. Okay, you can highlight the row and you can insert a row below. Okay, you can insert a row below, right? So with that, you can insert a row to the specific table. Yeah, right click, add row. Yes. So you have to highlight, and it is better highlight and better to add the row. Better to add the row. Right. Then here you have, they are asking the table. So what will happen? 0, 0, not x and y. So x and y means what? X and y. So 0 dot 0, it's 0, not 0 is 1. Okay, can you understand? X and y. So that means if this is 0, if this is 0, the output will be 0. Y, x dot y. Ne? Huh? If this is 0, if this is 1, that will be 0. If this is 1, if this is 0, that will be 0. If it is 1, if it is 1, then it will produce 1. So here it's 0, 0. So because of that, 1. Right? Not x and 1. X and y will be 0. Not because of not, it will be becoming 1. Then q equal x o y. So 0 plus 0, 0. R is P and Q. P and Q. P and Q. So 1, 0, it will be 0. P and Q. If both things are 1, then only it will give 1. So here again, 0 and 1. Again 0, not 0 means 1. Q, X, O, Y. So this will be 1. P and Q. So it will be 0. Here it will be 1 again. And here it will be 1 again. And PQ, it will be 0. And here it will be 0. Check this one, Pudha. P and Q. Here 1, right? Is it correct, Pudha? Okay, I'll put this one to no mother, not the whole process, huh? I will put this one to the YouTube. Yes, okay, I'll do that. Tagadano. Now here, write the HTML code they are asking. So what you have to do, very easily you can write H1 align equal center. Then you can give U underline cloud computing slash U slash H1. So H1 is finishing from that. This is an image. So I'm giving IMG. How you can insert the image? IMG, SRC, and the path you have to give. Okay. Then again, you are having a paragraph. So you can give P paragraph, whatever the paragraph that you want. Then after you are closing that, so close that paragraph, and here so this B means a paragraph, and here you can see it's bold and italic. So for bold and italic, we have used last week B and I. B and I. B and I. Image centered. So how you can insert the image center? So you can use the center tag, and after finishing that, you can center tag, you can close. So whatever the image that you want to insert, you are inserting how IMG SRC equal the path where you have stored the image. Then you are closing the center to stop, like to make this image center. Okay. And here when you consider about this one, this is unordered list. So UL, unordered list, UL. So how you can use the unordered list? UL, then you are giving LI, whatever things that you want, LI, LI. So the things that you want, then you are closing UL, unordered list. And again, here you have a paragraph, and that paragraph has closed from here. And here you have a href hyperlink reference equal whatever the site that you want to connect, and you're typing here, click here, and you are closing A and connect, you are closing. This is what you have to write. They are expecting from you. Okay. So what are the things that you have to give? The heading, underline, italic, inserting an image, giving the paragraph, ordered list, unordered list, hyperlinks. So these are things that you have to. Any image or table or anything, if you want to center, use the center tag. Center. Then you give the image. Okay. Then you give the image. Then you are closing the center. So whatever things that you have started with center, then you have to close it properly. If you have not closed it properly, it will apply to all the text. All these formats will be applied to the HTML page. In the හරියටම මේ දේ කරගන්න order list එක කොහොමද ලියන්නේ, unordered list එක ලියන්නේ කොහොමද, paragraph එකක් ලියන්නේ කොහොමද, hyperlink එකක් දාන්නේ කොහොමද, image එක insert කරුවේ කොහොමද, everything you have to know. Okay. So that's all about the HTML. And here you have a database question. Yes. Yes. So do we have to write the name of the image in the case of doesn't load? Yes. ALT. Yeah, Madhav, just give a ALT. Right. Identify this thing. Assume that the teacher in charge of the sports in your school asks you to create a database table with the following fields. So they have given some kind of fields. Number, contact number, contestant number, a number A to something, 1 to 1000. Name of the contestant, track and field events, date of birth. Okay. Right. 19 they have given Niman. Right. Identify the most suitable data type for each of the above fields. So here you can use number. Here you can use text. Here you can use text. Here you can use date and time. Here you can use years. No. So these are the data types that we can use to develop this table. Number. Number, it's a contestant number. Okay, so you can't change it. So that is helping to the system management. Okay, so we are like clear. Identify the suitable data types they are asking. So, what will be the things that you can use? Number, text, yes, no, and date and time. Name the corresponding object database management software. Generate a list of names of the participants in the sport meet. Name the components object provided by the database management software to generate a list of names of all the participants in the sport meets. That is query. You all can see how you can retrieve the data from a database. Database එකේ තියෙන data කොහොමද ගන්න? With the help of a query. With the help of the query, you can do whatever the modification that you want. So when they ask for phone number, is it a number or text? It's a text. Phone number now think note 31 22 21925. So here you have a hash mark. Here you have note 31. So it's starting with 0. Right? If you have given a number, this 0 doesn't have any value. So it will go with 3122 21925. The hash will not taking. So because of that, for the telephone number, you have to give as the text. Right. So that's all about that question. Then here again, same kind of question. You can see now in each and every past paper, they have given this diagram. So there's a possibility of asking details about some networks. online shopping, cloud computing. It will be there. So what they have asked, Umar is setting up a computer network with 6 computers in a small room. He unshielded twisted pair cable, unshielded. Okay, shielded net cable to connect device A, the computer through the interface component B, which is fixed inside the computer. Name the label A. So what is the label A? Can someone tell me what is label A? Can someone tell me label A? Switch or the server. Not the server. A will be the switch. What is the data? What are the network type that the UMA is planning? So that is local area network. Local area network. Local area network. Name the interface component B. Component B. B I can't see. No. Where's B? Name the interface component B. So what they have asked, right? Device A to through the interface. He has unshielded twisted pair cable to connect device A to the computer through the interface component B, which is fixed inside the computer. So component B, if it is connecting here, that means you need NIC. What is NIC? Network interface card. So what is the name of this one? Network interface card. Network interface card. Through the network interface card only, you can connect your computer. Yes, very good. You can connect your computer to this switch. Okay. Right to advantage of setting up a computer network instead of using the computer as a standalone. Standalone means what? It's an individual computer. It is not connected to the network. It is not connected to the network. So what is the advantage of network? Sharing valuable devices and information. Okay. Then remote access, video conference, email facility. So like that, many things are there. Okay. List one device which could be connected to this network either through device A or any other computer network. What is the device that you can connect to this one? Okay. So we can connect a modem, or we can connect a router, wireless router. Okay. So through this switch, you can connect your computer network to the internet through the modem or through the router. So they are asking list one device which could be connected to do this network either through device A or through any of the other computers. So here to the part A, you can connect what? You can connect a server that is connected to this network, or you can connect it to a server that is available on another location. Okay. So yes. Yeah, you can name the hub. Yes, correct, Puda. Hub, you can share the things. Can you send a PDF about network if you can? Yeah, channel it will change. Like, so if I have sent the network tune, so many things are there from the basic. So more than that, if you can go through the paper and ready with this, that will be better. Yeah. Any question, any doubts that you want to ask? Any doubts that you want to ask? So remember, I have my classes, grade 10, Tuesday, the new class that I have started, Tuesday 6 to 8, grade 11 class, Friday 6 to 8 again. Please pass the message, right? Then A-level 2024, Friday 3 to 5. Then A-level 2023. We are having the class 3 to 6 p.m. And Sunday we are having the paper class 7:30 to 12 p.m. Okay. Remember about these timetables. Please share this one with your friends and with your brothers and sisters. And I'm not going to take much time. Okay. So I have taken 40 minutes from you all. So just go through the JIT paper, and I know that you all can write something. Okay. You can pass the exam. So for today, I'm going to stop from that. If you have anything, just message to me. Then I'll support you all. Or otherwise, that is not ethical to conduct the seminars before a day, right? Okay, then all the best to you all. For today, I'm going to stop from that. You all have to go through the rest of the things. And if you have any doubts, yes, you can ask from me. All the best, huh? All the best for your exam. God bless you, Buddha. God bless you, Buddha. God bless you. Yeah, Shimon, which one you want to explain? You want me to explain which one? God bless you, Buddha. God bless you. Privacy and yeah, piracy and privacy. Piracy and privacy means piracy. Now, software piracy means you don't have the legal right to copy and distribute the things. Okay, right? You don't have the authorization to copy the software and share it with others. So that is illegal. So piracy. Privacy means the personal data, ne? Okay, Buddha. God bless you. God bless you. Yeah, okay, Buddha. Okay, all the best, Buddha. All the best. God bless you all. Is the programming? No, 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 no. Ishan, no. There's no programming. There's no any other system lesson. Eh? God bless you, Buddha. Okay. God bless you. God bless you. All right. All the best, Buddha. God bless you. No, no, no flow chart. All right. In 2000 syllabus, 2017 syllabus, they haven't given that.